This is the L1 tram, the Inner West tram to Dulwich Hill. It's checking off. And going through to Grand Concourse, which is country trains. Departures board. I'm going to head through to the city trains. It's an easy access gate for people with luggage or in a wheelchair. This is the fantastic new extension here. It connects the country trains to the city trains. This is another departure board. It's got all the Rough XVT, Canberra, train, Newcastle Interchange, Mount Victoria, Bombardary, and then all the city trains, the T8 City Circle, T9 to Hornsby, Strathfield, T1 EV Plains via Parramatta, T1 Gordon via Linfield, T2 Bush via Strathfield, T2 Levington via Granville, T3 Link via Lansdowne, T8 Macarthur via Airport Stations, T4 Cronulla via Cogra, and T4 Broadway Junction. So that's mostly where the country trains leave from. Here, country trains, intercity trains, which is still sort of part of the city network, and then this is the amazing bit. Yeah, hard to get a sense of it. So we're going to go downstairs. There's escalators there. Just going to take the stairs. There's also lifts over there. We've got bags. And this is also the new bit of the station, which is just amazing. There's also this bit over here. Lifts there as well. Let's take you up to country train level. It's amazing. Eventually all this is going to connect to the metro, the New Sydney Metro. Video surveillance, I'm just looking at things on the floor so you can't see where the cameras are. And then this is the lifts. I'm just going to walk up this end. Glass lifts there. You get in one end and out the other. Escalators up to the platforms. 2 lots for each platform. And you can sort of see the lift and the escalators going up the other side. Circle train.
Smoking is not allowed at this station or on trains. Fines apply. Thank you.
Just coming down. So this takes you out to the light rail, interconnecting light rail to L203 around Kingsford. And you can actually go up there. There's a separate exit. And basically reverses my tap on. There's lifts over there as well.